on today's episode of How Fucked Up Is Fucked Up. That's fucked up.
It is a little dirty. Okay. Oh shit! You gotta at least make some effort. I'm gonna toss you all the drinks, alright? This has my wallet and my keys in it, okay? Little closer. Little closer. Just a little bit closer. Alright, grab it. In here.
Shit, this is cold, dude. Holy shit. Alright.
Let's go! Now how do we
the fuck are we
swim?
gonna
Alright, let's do what no man has done before. Okay, honestly, someone's have done this before. This is working. We have two. It's working!
It's working! It's working!
Ow, my ass! I'm
Oh
stuck.
shit, there's rocks. We're picking up speed, boys.
Oh shit.
We're picking up speed.
What happens if we get fucking lost?
It's fine.
I'm gonna get the fuck out if so.
Oh shit!
We're headed
Oh
towards the
shit!
Trip this way! Ow, fucking rock.
Ah! Oh! That hurt!
Where the fuck did the other people go?
Yeah, where'd they go? Dude, a rock hit my butt. That hurt.
Something tells me we're about to hit a lot fucking more.
Oh shit! No! I think we're stuck.
Drift! Push! Push!
Push!
Push!
I think that's just the rubbing of the.
That was me trying to bring us back. Stop it. Alright.
Hell yeah! Oh! That is an uncomfortable feeling down there. Get some drinks out.
Am I the only one whose ass is freezing phenomenally?
What?
Let's chill.
I'm about to piss myself again.
What?
You
gonna tell me he's gonna be like, oh, you're doing that? Why aren't you at home helping your father out?
Hey, yeah, let's not text your dad now. We'll text him after we're done.
Guys, fucking help! We're staring into the fucking thing.
I got Dutch pepper.
Don't want there's snakes there.
So why the fuck are we drifting towards it?
Yeah.
It's not our fault. It's natural selection.
Why the fuck do you have a band-aid?
I have a scratch there.
Dumbass.
He was bleeding out.
Oh my god.
Oh! Oh fuck!
That's how you
That was like a big old dildo.
Push us out further, Logan, with your other hand.
Hold my beer. Hold my beer.
Hold my
Hold my beer.
Hey, question. Why does Dr. Pepper come in a can?
I don't
His
know.
wife died.
No, let's just keep us. Oh shit! Rapids coming up.
Hey, send
Oh
this-
shit!
Oh shit.
Send this shit to Robbie, will you?
Oh god. Oh god. Honestly, it feels like we've gone a lot further than that. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Get ready for rocks to rub up on your ass.
Yes.
We're picking up speed.
Ow. Ow.
Yep, there's one.
I didn't get hit yet.
I haven't got hit either. Good. Oh, I think we can do it. Ow, fuck. I'm just kidding.
Stop it.
Dude, try stand up.
Hell no. It's gonna be so much pressure on this little tarp that's saving us. Don't recline, please.
Huh?
You're hey, Aaron!
Down.
Get down and be humble, okay? Bro, you told me to stop that. Whoa, that feels a little funkier.
If you fall in the water.
Wow, that's cold! That's cold! What are you doing? Michael, stop. Michael. I'm just gonna stick my hand.
We're spinning too.
Oh shit, boys.
The fuck? There's a spider!
Where?
It's dead now.
That wasn't a spider.
Yes, no.
Shoot! Shoot! We
Oh
gotta stop!
shit!
Go this way.
Oh shit! Shit! Oh shit! We're about to go! I got a hold of something. I got it too. I got it. I can't hold on much longer. Michael, let go. I got us. I got us.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh wait!
Oh!
Look!
Ah!
No, look! Wrap around here! Wrap around here! Oh!
Dude, that was so much strength.
Go! Go!
Go.
Go! 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 Ah! Ah! I'm scared for my dick! Paddle that way, Aaron.
Dude,
You're just trying to kill our asses.
the current was so much stronger than I thought. My arm was like ripping out. Ooh, there's a branch underneath.
Are you guys gonna get out and walk for a minute?
Yeah.
Let's park this thing.
All right, my feet's on the bottom. Woo! Oh!
That's cold. Put my phone over there. And here.
I put the phone back here.
I see the spider.
Yeah, it's a dead bitch. Like, how am I aiming? Ow! Okay, stop. Okay, what are we gonna try now?
We're gonna swim probably.
After we almost just fucking died?
Yeah.
We almost got bit by a crocodile.
What?
Dude, that log moved. Their log went underwater. Ow! The rocks.
Oh god, the boat. Oh!
What?
Just stepping in the mud like 4 or 5 inches is a little sketch.
Ow! Ow!
Should have brought Crocs.
I hate crocs, not gonna lie.
Same.
I've got tennis shoes.
What are the odds we can swim to the other side of that?
Captain!
Yeah, yeah?
No! Dude, we have so much shit to go! Holy fucking shit!